Hello traders, you are welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a new way to trade the London breakout strategy. A new and effective way to trade the London breakout strategy. Okay, so it's a new and effective way to trade the London and even the New York breakout strategy. The London and even the New York breakout strategy. Now, there are many ways actually. There are many ways to trade the London and New York breakout strategy. Several traders have several ways they trade the London and the New York breakout strategy. But I have a better approach to that. All right, I have a better approach to that and a better way you can trade the London and the New York breakout strategy in a more profitable and more reliable way. You know, when you talk about strategies, there are several strategies in the market that forex traders have used over the years. But what is more important is how reliable are these strategies. Any strategy you use, any strategy that you use should have good percentage of or good probability of success. Okay, so a good strategy has a decent probability of success. Very important. Decent probability of success, and you should be able to be profitable using a reliable strategy. And I've always said it in my previous video that one good strategy well mastered is enough to kill in the trading arena. A good strategy well mastered is enough to become profitable in the trading arena. In fact, it was Bruce Lee once said that I fear not the man. Bruce Lee said that I fear not the man who has 10,000 kicks. No, he doesn't fear a man who has 10,000 kicks, but he fears a man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Okay, 10,000 times. So Bruce Lee said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks, but I would rather fear a man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. What does that tell you? That talks about the power of mastery. Mastery of a strategy. So that is why I want you to I've got many strategies I've shared with you in this YouTube channel. So you just need to identify a reliable one, not just a reliable one of those strategies that resonates with you, and practice it until it becomes yours, and you make it yours, and it becomes a profitable strategy that you'd use to make money from the forex market. All right. So with that being said, let us go into the methodology. The methodology of this strategy. Okay, the methodology of this new London / the New York breakout strategy. Okay, so what is the methodology of this my new London and New York breakout strategy? First thing you need to do, you need to know that this strategy is a strategy that is based on session. All right, what I mean by session, or rather in the forex market, we have several sessions. As you are aware, the market is in sessions. We have the Asian session. Okay, we have the Asian session. We have London session. These are the major sessions, and the New York session. All right, so but the session that has the highest volume is the London session, followed by the New York session, and the Asian session do not really have much volatility, much volume. All right, so I personally trade the London session, and partly partly the New York, all right, mostly, but the most active session is the intersection between the London and the New York, all right, when the London is about to close and when the New York is coming up. So, but that is not really the point, but the point I want to raise is that you need to know your sessions, and this London and New York breakout strategy is actually hinged on sessions. Now you see this line. I could have, in my previous video, you see that I don't have this line. This line is not there, right? I added this line in order to show you. This line is called the period separator line. All right, this is the period separator line. So you need, the first thing to do when you want to trade this London and New York breakout strategy is to add the period separator. You can see it, period separator. All right, add this period separator. This line, this dotted line, the period separator. This line separates a day. This is 1 day. This is 1 day. This is 12th of April. This is 12th of April. All right, this is 12th of April, and this other is, you see now, this is 11th of April. 11th of April. Okay, so this is 11th of April. So you see, these are sessions. These are not sessions, no, these are periods. So you need to know, you need to have your chart separated daily into daily. All right, so you need to have a candles for a particular day separated by this dotted line. So you need to add it. If you're using an MT4, if you're using MT4 or MT5, you just need to go to your setting. Sorry, my dogs are making noise, but just bear with me. I've got 2 dogs, so they're making noise, so just bear with me. So now settings, you go to settings. From your settings, you will see, you need to check the show period separator. Okay, show period separator. So you need to activate the show period separator. Okay, this would bring up this line that divides the day, one that separates 1 day from another. All right, it will bring up that this dotted line that separates a day from another. So you need it in this strategy. All right, you need this in this. So you need to go to settings on your MT4, MT5, go to settings and activate or check the box that shows show period separator. So when you do that, you're going to have this line that showing dividing 1 day from another. All right, so now if you're using trading view, you might want to, you would also see, you might want to add this indicator called period sessions indicator. All right, sessions indicator. So if you're using trading view, just add the indicator called sessions indicator. What this indicator will do for you is that it will separate the London. It will separate you to it will shade it will shade the London, New York and the Asian session on different with different color. All right, it's gonna separate them. So that is what it will do for you, this sessions indicator. But if you're using MT4, just go and activate the period, show period, the period separator. All right, so that is the first thing you need to do. All right, so now once you have done that, what is next? The next thing to do is to identify. First of all, you identify the session, the Asian session. You identify the Asian session. For example, now you look at the Asian session. Look at the candles. Identify the candles. You can see that this is the line. This is the line for the 7th of April. These are all the candles that formed. These are all the candles that formed on this day, the 7th of April. You can see it here from here. All right, you can see down below. You see this date. All right, so now you've seen this. You've seen the candles. You see the candles that are formed on this particular day. Now our interest is on the Asian session. So you can see that these are candles, individual candles forming towards the end of the particular day. All right, these So towards the end, you come towards the end of a particular day, just close to the end of this not this candle now, this session period separator. Now when you are just keep on identifying that. So when you wake up from sleep, if you are in the Greenwich mean time zone area, like the London, if you are in using the London time, okay, if you are in Europe, if you're in Europe, that's the London time, you'll be able to have this easier for you. Or if you're in Europe and Africa, okay, so you use the London time, the Greenwich Mean Time period, so the GMT. So now you would see that these are candles that are formed on the Asian session. Okay, so now you want to see the candle, the pattern of the candle as we enter a new day. You can see now we have entered a new day here this is a new day. So you have seen this day and we have entered a new day. Just keep on monitoring how the candle formation is forming on the new day you have entered. Okay, now some other traders that have there are several traders that trade the London and New York breakout strategy. They want you to identify a particular time whereby that breakout will occur. But this principle, this strategy of identifying a particular time, like 8 a.m. GMT or 7 a.m. GMT or even 9 a.m. GMT, like 8 a.m. GMT or 9 a.m. GMT. When I say GMT, I mean Greenwich Mean Time, GMT. All right, this is like the London time. So when you want to identify a particular time, that you might not succeed. That might not be the right way to trade this particular strategy. Forget about the time. All right, forget about the time. If you this way I'm telling you, forget whatever you know about the London and New York breakout strategy. Forget about the time. Your focus should be in identifying a pattern that works. Now, when you have seen this formation, these charts, candles forming from the Asian session into the London session, what you should do is to identify a pattern. Identify a chart pattern. A chart pattern lying across the Asian to the London session. All right, this is the key. Identify a chart pattern that is lying across the Asian to the London session. So this will be your guide. It could be a flag pattern, it could be a head and shoulders pattern, but most likely a chart pattern. It could be a chart pattern, it could be a double top pattern, it could be a triple top pattern, it could be a double bottom pattern, it could be a triple bottom pattern. But my favorite is the flag. It can be a bull flag, or the bear flag. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Identify a pattern. Like in this case now, you can see there is a bear flag here. All right, these are the candles on the Asian session. As we got into the London, the new day, this is a previous day, okay. Now this is the new day, okay. We know that by this period separator. So we are now moving into the new day. When we have got into the new day, we can see that there's a clear bearish flag. There's a clear bearish flag here. Okay, so regardless of the time, I don't care about the time. Regardless of the time, I don't care. My concern is that we have got into the new day. So when we got into the new day and there is already a bearish flag formation, so all I will be waiting for is a breakout of this consolidation that started at the Asian time that have now laid across into the new day in the London session. So once I have seen this consolidation breakout, I know that I'm going to get into this trade right here. I'm getting straight at the breakout of this consolidation, and my stop loss will be right here. Just trade this. I'll trade the pattern. I'll trade the pattern as a flag bull, a bearish flag pattern, and use the principles of the bearish flag pattern to trade it. Now, if you don't know how to trade the bearish flag pattern, I've made a video on that, and I'm going to put the link to that video in the description box of this video. All right, and I also made a video on several other chart patterns that are profitable to trade. I'm going to link that on the description box of this video. All right, so this is what you're going to do. This is what you're going to do. So you need to, let me come again. Let me explain again. You, first of all, you add the period separator on your chart if you're using the MT4 or the MT5. If you're using TradingView, add sessions indicator on your chart, which shows you the various sessions. But more importantly, the period indicator show you, sorry, period separator divides your chart into days. Okay, into days. This day 1, day 2 divides your chart into days. So when you have done that, you now look out for your previous day. Okay, you look out for the previous day, and when the previous day, I want to see the price formation from towards this the New York session, sorry, the Asian session, line across the new day, and you trade the breakout of the consolidation that formed by the intersection of the previous day and the new day. All right, that is the secret, regardless of the time. Okay, you just see that you can let's see our chart, and let's identify this pattern. Okay, like in this case now, we can see this. You can see what happened here. The price moving this side. This is like a triple bottom pattern formed by the intersection of the consolidation that started from the Asian session into the London session. All right, so, and the right thing to do is to trade the breakout of this triple bottom pattern. Okay, regardless of the time, we don't care to know what time this happened. What we want to know is that this breakout has occurred. All right, in this case now, we can see a flag pattern, a bullish flag pattern, that formed at the intersection of the previous day and the current day. Asian session and the London / the New York session. This is it. So we get into the breakout, the bullish breakout at this phase, and we'll put our stop loss right here, our entry here, and our take profit anywhere we want. Just most likely the distance of the first leg. Okay, but this does not really mean that you must go the distance of the first leg in your take profit. Just when you are satisfied, you take your profit. In fact, at 1:1, you move your stop loss to entry. To secure your profit, or rather to secure your trade. And now you hope that price could move further. All right, so that is how to trade this. Okay, another one. Let us see if we can find another one. Like here now, you can see this intersection, and the breakout occurred here. Okay, the breakout occurred here. This is like a double top pattern. All right, the breakout occurred and the market moved down. All right, so let's see here. You can see this one too, this one as well. This is like, you see, it's like a bearish wedge, sorry, a bullish wedge pattern. All right, bullish wedge pattern. All right, we started across from the previous day into the new day. All right, let us see other examples, many other examples. This is the bearish flag from the previous day into the current day, and there was a breakout. Let's see other examples. Okay, here now, this is a double top pattern from the previous day into the current day, and there was a sell-off. Double top pattern. All right, here you've got, tell me what pattern is this? Tell me what pattern is this? What pattern is this? Tell me what pattern is this? What pattern is this? Can you tell me? This is correct as a bearish flag pattern. Okay, the bearish flag pattern, the bearish bull flag or the bear flag, they occur frequently and more while trading this strategy. But you can as well see the double, or the triple top or bottom. All right, but the bear and the bull flags are more common and more preferable while trading these patterns, okay, from my years of experience. But you can also as well see the triple and the double top or bottom, as the case might be. All right, let us see more examples. Let's see more examples. Here you can see here, this is a bearish flag pattern formed across the Asian to the London session. All right, here as well, the bearish flag pattern formed across. Look at the session, the session indicator, the session, the session period separator. Okay, this is the previous day and the current day. Okay, so you see, this strategy is so powerful, this strategy is so reliable. Okay, like in this case now, this is a triple top pattern. The strategy is so wonderful. This is a bearish flag pattern lying across the previous day and the current day. Okay, lying across the previous day and the current day. This strategy is so wonderful. Okay, it's so wonderful. I bring you strategies that are reliable, strategies that will help you to succeed. All right, please, the way you can encourage me is to subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. It doesn't take any time, any much moment to subscribe. Okay, it takes you just a click. Please subscribe to this channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you really find it interesting. If you are learning from me, give this video a thumbs up. Also, share our content. Share with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up. That's the only way. It doesn't take you a minute to do. It takes you 1 second to do. Please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. This will help the YouTube algorithm to recommend our videos to more traders who are struggling. My aim and my vision is to help as much as possible traders that are struggling to become profitable, and also to help you to succeed in business and in finance. All right, because this channel is about business and trading hub, business investments, in order to make you to succeed and become financially free. Okay, forex is not the only way to make money, but it's one of the ways. All right, so when you make money from forex, you can invest it in other businesses and other investments, and you become financially free. Okay, so please subscribe if you're yet to do so. Please kindly subscribe, please, and you encourage me. So this is another one. The price went this way, forming double top and sold a line across the current and the previous day. All right, so this is what actually happened here. So these examples are to show you. Look at this one and look at that one too. This pattern forms across the previous day and the current day. This strategy is powerful. It's powerful. You would make money every day on it. So you don't need to be on your charts every time. You don't need to sleep on your charts every time. Once you come to your chart, you have a strategy. You know what you are looking for. And when your strategy is not there, it's not there. All right. Once you identify a strategy, you know what you are looking for when you open your chart. When you open your chart, you know what pattern you are looking for. We trade according to patterns. A profitable and a professional forex trader trades patterns. Patterns are what we trade. You don't just get into the market and just open a buy trade or a sell trade. In your mind, you already have a mindset of what you are looking for. You have an idea of the pattern you are looking for, what informs your actions in the market. And that once you have got a pattern, once you have got a reliable pattern or a preconceived pattern, you don't have to waste time trade in the market. You don't have to waste time. All right, you don't have to waste time in the market. So you know what you're looking for, and when you see it, you know when you see it. All right, you know when you see it and you get into the trade. All right, so In fact, 5 minutes, what is 5 minutes? Even 2 minutes enough. When I get into my chart, when I open my chart, I don't, my mentees know I don't waste time on my chart. Once I open my chart, within 1 minute or 2 minutes, I can be able to tell if I have a trade or not, if I have a potential trade or not. And when I don't find my trade, I close my chart, continue my day's activities. I don't sleep on my chart. I've got a life outside trading. All right. So when I open my chart, if I see a pattern, a tradable pattern, I already know. And if the pattern is getting close to formation, I might shake in the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes later. All right. To know when to get into the trade. So that is why I bring you this strategy. So that is what you need to do. So what you need to do is you wake up. If you are in the GMT zone, if perhaps you've seen a forming flag pattern. Now what you need to do, you draw your line and you'll be waiting. Perhaps this could be a double bottom, so but you cannot tell. Perhaps this could be a bearish flag. You cannot tell. So you need to just wait. And you are waiting to see what happens at on this consolidation. All right. You don't want to see what happens. This could be a bottom, double bottom. Price can break out from the other side, which will form your trade idea. Or price might decide to break down. This will form your trade idea. So you just have to wait. Trading is 90% waiting and 10% execution. Okay, trading is 90% waiting and 10% execution. Okay, so this is professional trading. 90% waiting and 10% execution. So you wait. If you cannot wait, the market will find a way of taking back all your profits. Okay, because you'll be taking trades that are not good. You'll be taking semi good trades that are not perfect. So your aim is to wait for your best setups. Okay, this is another one. Is another pattern that formed as a result of this strategy. All right, another pattern that formed as a result of this strategy. Okay, this is another one again. Beautiful one. This is a very beautiful one. Beautiful one. All right, so this is another one. This is our period separator. All right, our period separator. All right, this is another one. A bullish flag. Beautiful one. The market bought, continue to buy. Okay, the pattern, look at the pattern across the 2 days. All right, and the market bought. This is a new way to trade it. This is a new way. You can't find this. You can't find this analysis, this strategy, this new improved strategy on YouTube. You can't find it on YouTube. You cannot find this on YouTube. You cannot find this content on YouTube. I know what is on YouTube. I know the London breakout strategies on YouTube. I know what they teach. You can't find this one on YouTube, but I'm giving you for free. And what I'm asking for is that you should subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Many of you are viewing my videos and you don't give my videos thumbs up. That is not good. Give this video a thumbs up if you really find my content interesting. If you find my content helpful, give each of my video that you view a thumbs up and give a comment. Tell me how you find the strategy, how you find my videos and my content, and that will encourage me to do more content. I've got a whole lot of strategies that I've used and I still use that are beautiful, that you can convert to yours and make that will help you to become profitable in the market. All right, this is another one. These are other ones. You can see. Look at them. The cluster of trades, cluster of beautiful trades. According to this strategy, cluster of beautiful trades. Look at this one. All right. So now we are today. Now you see. Now this is this one. This was the last trade last week Friday. All right. So there was a bullish breakout. All right. So this is very important. So go to your chart. Each time you learn a new strategy, what you need to do is to go to your chart and do what is called backtrace. Okay, do what is called backtrace. Okay, backtrace. this strategy and see it for yourself if what I'm saying is right or not. When you have finished doing your back trace, you now do what is called demo trade. Trade it on your demo account and see how it works. This will help you to assimilate the principles of the strategy and know that strategy very, very well, so there will be no surprises when you trade it. All right, so you back trace and also you demo trade the strategy. So I want to thank you so much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel if you're yet to do so. Turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted when new videos are uploaded, and also give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends. And I also do one-on-one mentorship. I do one-on-one mentorship. Okay, want me to train you until you become a profitable forex trader. Okay, if you want me to train you until you become a profitable trader, I do that. So you can contact me. My contact details is in the links of the link of is in the description box of this video. All right, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description box of the video. All right, I have a free Telegram channel whereby you can see trades. I usually post trades. All right, what I mean by trades, I usually post charts, trade ideas. I post trade ideas, and in that channel you can see my contact. I post daily trade ideas, short trade ideas, which you can trade at your own discretion. So you want to join that Telegram channel, the link to that Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. Also is in the profile section of this YouTube channel. All right, so till I come your way next time, I wish you the very best in your trading career, and I want you to continue to excel and do not give up. With time, you shall see the dividends and the benefits of forex trading. Do have a wonderful and a lovely day. Bye.